Follow the steps on how to make a simple logo mockup in Photoshop. First, prepare your logo in Adobe Illustrator. Then go to File and Export. Save as PNG. And set transparent background. Next, go to Freepik and search for Logo Mockup. I choose this one. Download PSD files. Because I already have the file, I will cancel it. Open the downloaded file. Double-click here to edit the logo. Open your PNG logo. Click and drag. Delete this. Adjust the size and position. Press Ctrl S to save. Now you can see your logo has been automatically installed on the mockup. Finished, and good luck. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.